The point at which the two coordinate axes meet is called. We have four options. Option A is abscissa, option B is ordinate, option C is origin, and option D is quadrant. Honestly speaking, there is nothing to be done in this question. It is a straightforward question. In fact, initially I thought of dropping this question, but picked it up considering that this is one of the questions that can help you clear some of the basic understandings which are mostly confused by students doing coordinate geometry. So let's get on this. So the question is talking about the coordinate axis. What are the coordinate axes? We have one coordinate axis as x and the other is y. Looking at these axes, x extends on the right hand side till infinity, extends on the left hand side till infinity. Similarly, y extends on top till infinity, bottom till infinity. It moves like this, and here this is the point where you can see y axis is coming from here, x coming from here, and both are intersecting here at this point. So here we have a point that is the intersection of both, and that is what the question has asked, the point at which the two coordinates axes meet. So this is the point where these two coordinate axes meet. Nowhere else on the graph paper, only a single point, and that is known as origin, and thus we have the answer as C, origin. What is abscissa? Why is it not the answer? Simple. Abscissa is the x-axis coordinate, these values. When you are taking a point, then x-axis coordinate is your abscissa, while ordinate is your y-axis coordinates, these values. So this is not the point. And what is your quadrant? These sections are your quadrants, four quadrants. Start with this first, this is your second, this is your third, and this is your fourth, nothing else. So the answer to this question is origin, and you also get a basic understanding about what is abscissa, what is ordinate, and what is quadrant. Keep it in mind. These all concepts will be very helpful behind solving questions from coordinate geometry. All the questions will be based on these points. These are the basic fundamental blocks. Understand it and start practicing. Believe me, study mere, not anymore.